funny how the story goes. Little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new.
Hey, what's up y'all? It's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a room transformation. I will get into the details a little bit later. If you are interested, keep on watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and let's get started. Okay, here is a before of the space. It's going to be a room transformation instead of an extreme makeover because my client already has beautiful pieces such as the armchairs, the accent table, the coffee table, and the blue plush sofa. So we're just going to be incorporating new pieces such as accessories, artwork, rugs, curtains to complement what she already has. During this makeover, I was a little over 5 months pregnant, so my clients were very adamant about making sure I didn't do too much or lift anything heavy. So they did go ahead and assemble the bookshelf and assemble the entryway table, which was a huge help. I really appreciate them. They were just very sweet about everything.
Just hold tight, we're up at the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic. And we can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance. What you gonna do? We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. Believe in the magic. We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Baby, you got me. Believe in the magic. Baby, you got me. Just you in that baseline. We're way past sunshine. Believe in the magic. Alright, step into the moonlight. Get into that good time. Believe in the magic.
Whenever it comes to styling a bookshelf, You want to make sure it's a good balance and there is a good rhythm from top to bottom. You want to make sure everything fills out proportionally and that things are also cohesive with the other items in the room. Don't be afraid to take things away, don't be afraid to add things. But you want to make sure everything balances out and everything feels good. Don't be afraid to step back, stare at it for a while, add something or move something. Do whatever you have to do. You'll see me moving things around just to make sure everything has a good balance and a good rhythm. And so with the bike and also with the balls inside of the vase, it's also going to go with the other items in the room, such as the throw pillows that has the cognac color, and the artwork and the entryway that has the cognac color, and also the lid for the candle has the cognac color as well. So everything has a good cohesive vibe.
We're doing it all, the feeling is so, maybe you got me, believe in the magic. We're doing it all, the feeling is so, maybe you got me, believe in the magic. We're doing it all, the feeling is so, maybe you got me, believe in the magic. Believe in the magic.
Okay, y'all, so that will wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the room transformation. Hopefully you got some ideas of how you can transform your space using your existing items and furniture pieces, and new ways that you can brighten and freshen up your space. My client absolutely loved the end result. She said it was exactly what she was hoping for, so I'm really excited about that. Make sure you guys subscribe, give me a like, and I will see you guys next time.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder